What an incredible week it's been in Frederick County Public Schools. Kicking things off with a shout out to Brunswick and Catoctin High Schools for bringing cheer and kindness to their community. Brunswick High School's Random Acts of Kindness Club and Catoctin's Pantry Pride delivered food and gifts to students in their local area. This truly was an amazing act of generosity. Speaking of generosity, FCPS is participating in Giving Tuesday, a global movement that empowers people to give back to their community. Visit fcps.org to find out how you can support and donate to the cause. Lastly, FCPS is happy to announce the 2019 Veteran in Education Service Award winner, literacy specialist Pamela Adams-Campbell from Catoctin High School. This award is given to an FCPS employee who has served in our nation's armed forces and provides exemplary service to FCPS and their community. Great job, Pamela. For more information on any of these topics, check us out on social media or fcps.org.